Sophie and the Olathe, Kansas Police Department are delivering gifts to Corinthian James. The 6-year-old from Olathe, nicknamed CJ, was diagnosed with lymphoma at age 2 and leukemia at age 5 at Children's Mercy Hospital. Now, both diseases are blood cancers and, in CJ's case, unrelated. He underwent a bone marrow transplant in 2019 and has been battling leukemia since spring. Now, CJ loves anything Mario. He loves dancing and music, but really likes to make new friends and being able to play since he must isolate often for long periods of time. CJ's favorite Christmas memory happened last year when he thought he would be in the hospital but was able to spend Christmas at home with his family and 2 black cats. CJ's mom would like to share this about him in her own words. Seeing a little boy who hasn't gotten the chance to make friends or do a lot of activities, he has the best personality and attitude. He is so loving and courageous and doesn't even know what a light he is. He inspires me to be positive and try not to take life so seriously, but to enjoy little moments along the way. The only thing that is truly important at the end of the day is the nature of our hearts, and his is truly gold. I'd like people to know more about children with cancer. They won't break. They are bored, they need attention and love and someone to show them they are not alone. Many people don't understand this life and what these children go through or how resilient they are. Children with cancer are the strongest form of children that exist and have been through so much in such a short amount of time. More attention should be shown to them, more activities should be provided to them, and more accommodations for them to continue living a beautiful life while they're pinned down at the hospital should be available. I would love for all listening to try and educate themselves or get involved in programs to show these children how amazing and special they are, not just through the Make-A-Wish Foundation, but every day and month that they are confined to a hospital bed. They deserve the world. Merry Christmas, CJ and family.
Hi.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. My name is Emma. And
Nice to meet you. I'm Sophia.
This is Caleb.
Hello.
Hi.
He's trying to get on the call as well, and then our chief of police is also going to hop on the call.
Okay. Merry Christmas Eve.
Merry Christmas Eve to you too. Do you watch Friends at all?
Not really.
Oh, well, yesterday was Happy Christmas Eve, so it's a good TV show. It's very funny. If you like anything that's funny.
Me and my sister told it to each other yesterday.
Okay, good. So how are you staying warm out there in Hayes?
Yeah, it's a little cold, but I mean, it's not like snowing or anything.
Okay, I think we're supposed to get some snow next week, and it flurried a little bit last night, but nothing too crazy.
We might want to think about going over and meeting CJ.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
yeah. That was so much fun talking.
Hey, I will say that, COVID makes things weird, but if you guys ever have an opportunity to stop by the police department when you're going back and forth, we'd love to meet you in person.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
That would be awesome. In fact,
yeah, you guys are always welcome.
Maybe I can work it because we go about every week. I can work it where you 3 maybe are on at the same time, maybe, or 2 of you or something, and I can actually have Sophie drop her armbands off.
Yeah.
That'd be
Man,
awesome.
we would love that. So I'll try to I'll send you an email, Mom, so you can contact me and we can figure something out.
That would be great. And just
Awesome.
As much as I see Sophia and Emma talking, I think Sophie's going to have a longtime friend there.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, I think so too. I'm pretty sure about that. Were you guys ready to go?
Yeah, we're ready.
Stay on there and all. It looks like it's the next Finley, not this one.
Okay. All right. So what we're going to do is I'm going to switch. You don't have your phone.
I put it down here so I can.
I'll hold it.
Okay. That'll work.
Okay.
It should be.
We're trying to technology. Okay, here we go.
There you go.
So Caleb's phone is going to be facing outward. That way you can kind of see what we're seeing. So it's like a true ride along, and you're not just staring at my face. And so this just kind of like gives you the view of like this is what we see on a daily basis.
I am. I gotta put my mask on. I'm gonna find it. Where's my mask?
Hey, can you
Mike,
put this
here.
in my pocket? All right. So we are here. We're gonna make sure we got the presents and everything like that. That way, we're all situated.
I will.
This is so cool.
Yeah, it's awesome. Yeah, fancy doorbell.
We got one more we got to get out of here.
Yeah, I was going to see where they wanted to put it.
Yep.
Hello! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Hi.
How are you doing?
How are you? I'm freezing out here.
We brought you the present. Good. You got a warm jacket too.
I love that.
We have our friend Sophia on Zoom. Would you like to talk to her? She's from Hays, Kansas.
Aww.
Let me switch over. So this is her right here.
Merry Christmas Eve.
Merry Christmas.
We have a really big box as well, so I don't know where you want to put that. So, okay. No. Okay. No.
Oh,
This is so cool.
you guys doing anything special? You guys doing anything special? No?
No.
You gonna get ready for?
Sugar cookies.
Ooh, are you gonna put any icing on them? What kind of icing?
I don't know.
Okay.
Are you
Sugar cookies are
surprised?
pretty good. I'm pretty sure Santa likes sugar cookies. Were you surprised with the presents? Yeah. His outfit is so cute. Awesome.
Really, it's darling.
It looks really warm.
All right, let's get the big box out.
All right, we got one more.
All right, let me get the big box out.
All right, we got one more thing for you, okay?
What do you think? Are you surprised?
Mom got you with a good surprise.
What do you think? You didn't think that?
TJ, how You're 6. You're a pretty tall 6-year-old.
Yeah.
Are you in kindergarten or are you in first grade?
First grade.
Okay. Are you guys doing the online school?
First time ever being actually in school.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. He just got his another treatment. We're trying to go back on January 6th.
Okay.
First time ever being actually in school.
No. Well, I'm sure there's some sort of math. So there's
Sure.
addition and subtraction.
In the garage.
Pretty good at math.
I was just going to show
All
it
right,
to you.
so we got a big box here for you. We're going to put it inside the garage.
Look how big that is.
Oh my goodness.
Do you know what it is? He doesn't know what it is.
Oh, whoa. That's a really cool motorcycle bike. Does the motorcycle bike go fast? No.
Alrighty.
Does he know what it is? That'd be fun. Would that be so fun?
Unfortunately, some assembly is required. But I bet you're gonna jump so high and do all these flips and everything like that.
Try to take a little bit more day. No, actually,
The card.
I have it in mind. We can come back together.
Really?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I think it's supposed to be like 55 on Saturday, so it'll be yeah. We'll put her together. Are you gonna be here on Saturday or Sunday?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now that we all speak their phone numbers.
Yeah.
Okay, that's so cool. Thank you. I suck at that.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, I wanted to do a little something as well, so that's for you.
This has been so cool.
Yeah. You excited, CJ?
Yeah.
He's pretty excited.
Are you gonna watch any Christmas movies tonight?
Gonna make sugar cookies for Santa.
Oh,
Yeah.
I think those are his favorite.
Nothing. You got nothing, bud? You got nothing. No words. No.
That's okay.
That's okay.
All right, Sophia, do you want to say bye real quick?
Yeah. It was nice to meet you, CJ.
Thank you so much.